questions. I was wondering, for solopreneurs versus like teams, is there like an approach that you would have for each, or like something that you say for each in that regard? Like,
For the solopreneur, you want to get in a position where you are getting one key team member, because you can't keep doing it all by yourself. Now, if you employ technology, and with AI now, you can mimic having a actual human person there with you, so to speak. That's where the system lets you be more than just you. But so that's what the focus should be as a solopreneur, that you're getting things in place. So when you do make that first hire or get that first contractor, again, you have the documented ways you need stuff to happen in place. Because a lot of people who are with one man, one woman bands don't necessarily want to have, employees, but you do need somebody. At some point, team members aren't always necessarily in the building with you. They can be VAs, they can be even your CPA and lawyer and all that. They're team members as a solopreneur. So having documented process, how things happen, how you want things to happen, is still very helpful. If you're a solopreneur and you get sick, you might have to have someone step in and do some things for you. And again, if you have those things documented, if you have systems in place, um, your business doesn't stop because of that. And then people who have team members, you just want to make sure they're in the right roles, because I have come and had clients who had the web developer be the content person, or the VA be the web developer. Just people aren't in the right place. But it's because I needed all hands on deck. You threw them into this role, and that's just not sustainable or scalable. So for, again, that business owner who has team members, you want to focus on, do I have the right people, and are they in the right place? Also, you want to make sure you haven't hired too many people, because I've seen that before too, where someone comes into, like, you get a big contract and then you start hiring all the people. And so you get used to all the things being taken care of. But when that runs out and you don't have more coming in, or it's slow to come in, or you have a down season, then you have to go back to square one, get rid of everybody, but you forgot how you did things, and it's a struggle. So you don't want to hire too many people either.